Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to continue with our key E and forming of 7th chords, whether minor, major, or diminished. Alright, so in our previous lesson, we learned how to form chords in the key of E, and they are chord 1, then chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, chord 5, then chord 6, then chord 7, and then back to chord 1. So in this lesson we are going to be inverting the chords. Alright, so in our inversion, this is our chord 1. We're going to move the E up here, so then the G flat 2 will move. That's a chord 1. Then the B is also going to move. Alright, so now chord 2, we're going to have the F sharp move. Then the A2 would move. The C sharp would move. And then the E would move back. Alright, now the chord 3, the G sharp is going to move. The B will move. Then the E flat will also move. Then the last to move back. Then the chord 4, the A would move. The C sharp would move. The E would move. Then the G sharp will move back again. Then we have the 5. B would move. E flat is going to move. F sharp is going to move. And then the A back to its place. Alright, now this is the 6th chord. The E, the C sharp would move. The E would move. The G sharp would move. And then the B move back. Then we have the 7. Alright, diminished. Now the last time I was teaching you something about these diminished chords. Now this chord that I've played, you can play it for all 4 notes. For example, if I play this E flat, because E flat is starting, but if I'm to play F sharp, it will turn to F sharp diminished 7. If I'm to play A, it will A diminished 7. If I play C, it's C diminished 7. So you can use this same chord for these 4 notes, then back to the chord 1. Alright, so that's it for the inversions. Alright, so let me add the progressions to it. Let's do a progression 1, 6, 2, 5. Alright, so this is a 1, and then a 6, then a 2 over 5, you can maintain 1, and then a play which will give you a minor 9. We've not gone there yet, so from this tutorial we'll be building a 9 chords. All right, then the 2, then 2 over the 5, back to the 1. All right, so you can use your inversion and then do something with it. All right, so you can also play a 4 3 2 1. I've been using it. All right, so 4 3, then a 2, a 1. Alright, so thank you for being a part of this tutorial. See you in the next video where we learn the key of F.